Let her try, Riley.
The
Look at Riley whenever you need help with a word, okay? And she'll tell you.
No, it's the can.
She starts at the beginning, right? It's okay.
The cat is Mac. I am Sam.
Let her try before you tell her, okay?
I like Cam. I like Cam. No! Okay, if you need help, I like Mac. I like Mac. The cat.
Good job. I saw you sound that out, Meredith. Good job.
I like the car.
Riley, she needs your help.
Oh. It is red.
Start where you need to start.
I like the bus. Yes. But the
Same word again.
bus is white.
Not white. Look at it. It's a different color word.
Yellow.
Yellow. How do you know it's yellow? What letter does it start with?
Why?
Y. Yes, yellow.
It has a U on the end instead.
No, a W says w, like water.
It has a W on the end instead, Mary.
Next page.
Mary!
Do you need help with that word?
Meredith!
Tell her the word, Riley.
I.
Meredith, come on now. That's just a letter. Read that page.
I like. Yeah, you've been reading those words.
Riley.
I like the plane. It's just the. No, that. There, you have to say the. I already did. Wait, didn't you?
She said, I like the plane. What comes after that?
I said no first. See? I already said.
She said the next word is plane. I like the plane. The plane.
Oh, okay. I like plane.
Look at the word, not at the picture.
White? No.
What color is it, Riley?
Gray.
That one's a bit tricky.
Yeah. I can tell that it's gray right now.
Okay, next page. Ooh, last page. What's it say, Mare? Read it all by yourself. Okay, we'll try it all by yourself.
I like I like cookies. Mac. 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 Woo-hoo. I like cookies. That's funny. I like cookies again.